time for your maths class. Let's begin the maths class, but before we start, the same thing which I have always been teaching you. You will first write the class work, then you will write today's date. Today, what I am going to do is, whatever we have done in time till now, we will revise that. Because if we move to the next worksheet starts with the conversion of day into hours and hours into minutes. So before that, we will first revise whatever we have done till now. So I have decided that today I am not going to teach you anything new, but rather whatever we have done in our previous classes, we will be doing that only. Okay? I will be writing here some questions and you will solve all those questions to me. So first question is that you will show the time on the clock. I will write the time and you are going to show this time on the clock by putting the big hand and the small hand of the clock at the correct number. आप जो टाइम मैं यहाँ लिखूंगी उसे आप क्लॉक पे दिखाएंगे और कैसे दिखाएंगे? मिनट हैंड और आवर हैंड को सही जगह पर क्लॉक पे रखकर. So let us begin. A number. You will show 9:15 on the clock. Then you will show 4:20 on the clock. After that, you are going to show number C 8:45. 8:45. Then you will show me 6:30. After that, you are going to show me 7:55. And finally, you are going to show me 10:30. What you have to do is, this I have given to you. Now, just below this, what you will do is, you will draw 6 clocks. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clocks you are going to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you will write down the numbers. Okay? After writing down the numbers, you will bring down this first number. This is clock A. And you will write the time just below this clock, underline it and write the time. You have to show here 9:15. How are you going to show it? Now I will not do this for you. This I have given the work to you because for the past few days we are doing this part of the chapter, time part, and I have spent a lot of time on this, where you have to show the minute hand, where you have to show the hour hand. Now I want you to show me this time. I have written the time, मैंने टाइम लिख दिया है, मैंने बता भी दिया है क्लॉक बनाकर कि आपको कैसे करना है। आप एक क्लॉक बनाएंगे, उसके नीचे आप इस नंबर को लिखेंगे, जो टाइम है वो टाइम ऑफ नंबर्स में लिखेंगे, एंड देन यू विल शो दिस टाइम ऑन द क्लॉक. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू नाउ, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू सेंड इट टू मी एज योर क्लास वर्क. आप इसे करेंगे और मुझे क्लास वर्क के रूप में इसे सेंड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू homework. Today, as I have already said earlier, I will not be teaching you anything new. I am only going to revise what we have done earlier. इससे मुझे ये तो पता चलेगा कि बच्चे आखिर कहाँ पर समझ रहे हैं और कहाँ उनसे गलती हो रही है. If all of you will send me the copies and there is no mistake in it, then I will get to know that yes, my children have understood it so very well, and then I will continue with it, and I will not have any problem in moving further. Now, I am going to draw the clock, and you have to, in fact I will not draw the clock, I will write the time in numbers and you will have to write in words. This is very important. Write the time, in words. In numbers it will be given to you. Numbers में वो आपको दिया हुआ रहेगा और आपको उसे वर्ड्स में लिखना है. So the first one, 7:25. Okay, the first one is 7:25. B is how much? 8:30. B is 8:30. Then C is 11:45. And then we have D is 10:15. Okay, then we have E is 1:30. B is 1:30. Then we have F is 5:45. Okay, so I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 more. That would be 7 and 8. 8, 5 and the last one would be 7:45. Altogether 8 sums are here from A to H. You simply have to write the time in words. This is written to you. In numbers it is written to you. You will write here in words. 7:25. You see where the minute hand goes. 25 अगर है, 7:25 है, तो आप पहले इसे समझेंगे कि 25 कहाँ पर आता है? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7:25 means the minute hand would be where and the hour hand should be where. You have to first find out that. This is 7, the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand would be at 5. Then only it will be 7:25. The hour hand at 7, घंटे की सुई 7 पर और मिनट की सुई 5 पर. तब ये 7:25 होगा. Yes. Now 5 is at which side of the clock? 5 clock के किस साइड है? राइट हैंड साइड है कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब भी आप किसी नंबर को वर्ड्स में लिखेंगे तो हमेशा इसका ध्यान रखेंगे कि आप जिस नंबर को वर्ड में लिख रहे हैं वहाँ मिनट हैंड किस नंबर पर है और वो घड़ी के किस साइड है? राइट हैंड साइड है या लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है? बिकॉज if it is on the right hand side, you have to use the word past. If the number where the minute hand lies, if it is on the right hand side, you have to use the word to. इसलिए आप यहाँ पर फिर वैसे ही देखकर इसे लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड है तो आपको कौन सा वर्ड यूज करना है? past. 25 minutes past 7. Okay? Now all of you will do this work, and after doing this work, this is your homework. So be very clear about it. You will do this as your homework. I am not giving you any other work. I have given you only this 8 sums as your homework. This is very simple, but at the same time, I want the correct answers. Don't do the answers in a hurry and don't get it wrong. Okay, so do this work and then send it to me. After doing the correction, I will send it back to you, and in the next class we will continue with the next part of the chapter. Thank you.